Good morning, children. All of you open your textbooks. Page number 207. Page number 207. Okay. Today our topic name is My House. Today our topic name is My House. This is the third lesson. Okay, what is the topic name? That is My House. Yes? Okay. See, in this topic we have to learn these types. What is that? Know about different types of houses. Okay. Different people having different houses. Yes, so we have to know different types of houses from this lesson. Okay, next, identify different parts of a house. Identify different parts of a house. Okay, okay. From house, in the house different parts are there. Okay, different types of parts are there from the house. So that part you have to identify in this lesson. Okay na? Okay, here my house lesson is there. See here one house are there, no? One house is there. Okay, one house and trees, grass. Okay, this house having doors, windows, roof. Okay, these types of different parts are there. That is called different parts. Okay, that is called different parts. Means in a house different types of parts there. What is that? One house having doors, windows, roofs and ventilator, trees, grass. Okay, different types of parts there from a house. So here one house picture given, no? Then you have to color the picture. Okay, here house picture given, you have to color it. Okay, from roof you have to, which color you want to use to roof, means that is brown color. Here trees, green color. Okay, like that you have to do as your wish. Okay, but neatly. Okay, neatly you have to do the color. Understand? Okay, next turn the page. Turn the page. Page number 208. Page number 208. Okay, see here. Here house heading is there. Okay, all of us live in houses. Yes or no? We all are living in a house only. Understand? We all are living in a house. So we live in our houses with our family members. Yes, we are living in our house with our family members. What is the family members means? That is mother, father, grandmother, grandfather, brothers, sisters. These are called family members. Okay, these are, we have to call that family members. So all of us living in a house. Okay, We all are living in a house. Then living with our family members. Okay, in our house we all are living with our family members. Okay, understand? It protects us from heat, rain, cold, wild animals and thieves. Okay, it protects. Which one protect from us? Okay, which one protect? That is house. House is protect us from heat. Okay, heat means because in summer season there no, in summer season there is heavy sunlight is there. Okay, there is heavy sunlight was there, so this house only protect us. Okay, this house only protect us from the sunlight, so that is heat. This house only protect us from heat. Okay, then rain. In monsoon season or rainy season, heavy rainfall is there. Okay, heavy rainfall was there, so in that season also house is protect us from the rain. Okay, next cold means coolness. Okay, in winter season heavy coldness is there, heavy coolness is there, was there. So in that coolness this house only protect us from the coolness, so that is cold. Then wild animals. Okay, some houses are nearby the forest. Some houses are nearby the forest, so in that situation house only protect from the wild animals, means that bear or elephant or lions, tigers. Okay, that are called wild animals, no? So from that wild animals also house is protect us. Okay, and thieves means that is దొంగలు అంటాం కదా, thieves. Okay, from house is protect us from heat, means summer season. Rain means rainy season. Cold means winter season. And wild animals and thieves also protect us from these situations. Okay, it also keeps us safe. Okay, house always keep us safe place. Okay, house is always keep us safe place. A house may be big or small. Okay, some members having big houses and some members having small houses. Okay, like that. All members having same house, not the same house. Okay, all of us not having same house, so different types of members having different types of houses. Okay, it may have one or more rooms. Okay, in a house having one room or more rooms. Okay, and more rooms, bathrooms and kitchen is must. Okay, in our house one bathroom, one kitchen have must. Understand? Okay, this is about house. Okay, house means what is about house? House is protect us from heat, rain, cold, wild animals and thieves. House is always keeping safe. Keep us safe. So different types of members having different types of houses. So in this house kitchen bathroom is must. Okay. Next, this is about a house. Then after, types of houses. What is that? Types of houses. See here, some houses are made of bricks, cement and wood. Here, types of houses means how many types of houses are there. Okay, how many types of houses are there, we have to learn from here. Okay, some houses are made of bricks, cement and wood. Okay, some houses are made of bricks. Means what? Bricks means, that is ఇటుకలు అంటాం కదా, అది. Bricks, cement and wood. Okay, houses are made of bricks, cement and wood. They are called pakka houses. Pakka houses means what? That is standard house. Okay, pakka house means standard house. Okay, see again, some houses are made of bricks, cement and wood. They are called pakka houses. For example, bungalows and apartments. See here in this picture, downside pictures given. See here, this first one is bungalow, BUNGALOW, bungalow. Okay, this one apartment, APARTMENTS, apartments. Okay, that pakka house. For example of pakka house, this one bungalow and apartment. These two buildings are called pakka house. Means standard buildings, standard houses. Okay, okay, pakka houses are made up of bricks, cement and wood. Okay, bricks, cement, which purpose we have to use bricks and cement? That is walls. You know walls, godalu. Bricks and cement we have to use for walls. Okay, build up walls. Next, and wood. Wood means how we can use wood? Means that is what? Windows, doors, windows, we have to use this type of wood. Okay, that is called pakka house. About pakka house, what is the example of pakka house? That is bungalows and apartments. Okay, next, the houses that are made of mud and straw are called kacha houses. For examples, huts. Okay, here the houses that are made of mud and straw. Mud means burada, matti. Okay, mud and straw. Straw means katte pullalu antam kada. That means the houses that are made of mud and straw are called kacha house. For example, huts. Okay, see here, this house, for example of hut. See here, these all having straws only. Straws means kattelu. Straws only using for roof. Okay, in this kacha house, straws are using for roof and muds mud is using for walls. Okay, this is called kacha house. Okay, pakka house means standard house. Kacha house means not standard. Understand? Okay, see here one green color box is there. Now I know. The houses made of ice are known as igloos. Okay, some types of houses made of ice bricks means ice gaddalu. That type of ice we have to use for house, that is called igloos. What is this? Igloos means these all are having with ice only. Okay, these types of houses made of ice, so this is called igloos house. This is pakka house, this kacha house, this one igloo. What is this called? Igloo. Okay. Okay, next page number 209. Page number 209. See in this page. Next, our house also has doors and windows. Okay, our house are having doors and windows. No? Yes or no? Our houses are having doors and windows. Sunlight and fresh air come into our house through the windows. Okay, from doors and windows, sunlight and fresh air will come. From where? From outside to house through window. Through the window. Suppose for example, here house is there. Here window. So this side house is there, this side window. Okay, our houses having doors and windows, yes or no? Okay, in this window, from this window, outside cool air and sunlight will come into our house through the window. Okay, next, this is the door. Our houses having doors and windows. Okay, this window, from this window, sunlight and fresh air will come into our house. Okay, next, our house also has walls and a roof. Some houses have sloping roofs while other have flat roofs. Okay, our houses also has walls and a roof. Okay, roof means what? Suppose our house having one roof. Which type of roof that one? That one is flat roof. Roof means that is called slab. We are calling slab for that. Okay, our houses also has walls. This one is walls. Okay, this is wall. And a roof. Roof means this is the roof and this is the roof. Okay, means upper side part of the house, that is called roof. Understand? Upper side part of a house, that is called roof. Okay, some houses have sloping roofs. Some houses, sloping means like this. Sloping roofs means that is not flat. Slope means one side having up and another one side having down. So that is called sloping roof. See here, here hut there no. Here having hut. This is called sloping roof. Understand? Means in the middle of the roof, that is higher one, means upper side, and the another side of the roof, that is small, lightly having downside. Okay, that is called sloping roof. Okay, that is called sloping roof. And this bungalow and apartment all are having flat roof. What is that? Flat roof. Okay, understand now? Sloping roof and flat roof. Okay, sloping means that is lightly slant the roof, cross, and flat roof means our houses having no flat roof, that is slab, upper side of our house, that is called roof. And these roofs, two types of there, that is sloping roof and one more is flat roof. Okay, sloping roof means huts are there, huts having sloping roof, and bungalows are there, that one having flat roof. See here pictures given, house with a flat roof. See here, this is the flat roof. See, flat roof. And house with a sloping roof. Sloping roof means this one downside, like this coming. Okay, that is the sloping roof. Okay, understand? Next. Okay, next, parts of a house. How many parts are there in our house? See here, a house has different parts. A house has different parts. These are living room, kitchen, dining room, bedroom and bathroom. Okay, let us read to know about them. Okay, parts of a house. In our house having different types of rooms are there. Okay, what is that? One living hall, one dining hall, one bedroom, one kitchen. These types of parts are there in our house. Yes or no? All you have no. Okay. Okay, that is parts of our house. Okay, let us read to know about that. Okay, next, turn the page, page number 210. See in this page, here living room. Okay, let us know about living room. Okay, let us learn about living room. See here, the living room is a room where we sit with our friends and guests and talk to them when they visit us. That means in the living room, that is also one room. Okay, one part of our house, that is living room. Okay, where we sit with our friends. We have to sit our friends and our relations, our neighbors. Okay, these are coming to our house where we have to sit and talk to them. That is called, that is in the living room only. Okay, suppose some members will come to our house. Okay, in living room only they are sit and talk to me, talk to our. Okay, yes or no? Talk to us. That is in the living room only. Okay, we may also read books, watch TV and play games in this room. Okay, in the living room, in this living room, we have to sit with our friends, guests, our relations, our neighbors, everyone. Talk to them when they visit us. when they come to our home, we have to sit in our living room and talk to them. We may also read books. Okay, we are reading books and watching TV, playing games. All we have to do in our living room only. Okay, we keep things such as sofa, bookshelves, and chairs in this room. Okay, we keep things. Okay, different types of sofas, chairs are there, no? These types of sofas, bookshelves, chairs, all are we have to keep in this room only. What is that room? That is living room. In this living room, sofas, TVs, bookshelves, chairs, these all we have to keep in the living room only. Okay, understand for living room? Okay, then coming to kitchen. Okay, kitchen is the room where we cook our meals. Okay, in the kitchen room we have to cook meals. We find the sink, gas stove and utensils here. We also store food items in the kitchen. Okay, about kitchen is the room. Kitchen also one part of room in our house. Okay, kitchen is also one part of our house where we cook our meals. We have to cook our meals for family members. Okay, in this room only we have to cook our food items for family members and for us. Okay, we find in this house, in this room, we have to find that one sink, gas stove and utensils, like this utensils here. We also store food items in the kitchen. Okay, food items having no, that one also we have to store in our kitchen room only. Okay, food items, that means rice, vegetables, other things we have to know. That is all food items we have to store in our kitchen room only. That is about kitchen. Okay, next, dining room. This is a room in which we eat our meals. We have a dining table and chairs to sit on and eat our food in this room. Okay, here one more room is there, that is dining room. In this dining room, okay, what we have to do in this dining room? Okay, we eat our meals, we eat our food, and we have a dining in this room having one dining table, chairs. Okay, in this dining table we have to eat our food. Okay, sit on the chair and eat our food in this room only. That is about dining room. Okay, understand? Okay, now remaining one tomorrow we will discuss.